filming. This is the elevator at Medical Building 3000, connected to University Hospital Charlotte. Start off by going down. Down 1. Stove class.
Indicator lights are burned out though.
Wait.
Got pretty paneling. Nice handrail. There's the floor.
Then we'll go back down to 1 to a cabbie, and then we'll head back up to 2.
Has a phone.
Since you already checked that, now I'm gonna go back to 2.
And all the indicator lights are burned out. So I don't see any of them, do you? There it goes. And
That's it.